Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Todoist task syncing using Apple ID, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your device and ensure you have the Todoist app installed. Launch the Todoist app from your home screen. If you don't have an account, tap on sign up. Select continue with Apple to log in using your Apple ID. If prompted, enter your Apple ID and password. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-in process. Once logged in, you may see a prompt asking for permissions. Tap on Allow to enable Todoist to access your Apple ID information. This will help synchronize your tasks effectively across devices. Navigate to the Settings menu within the Todoist app. Look for the Integrations option. Select it to view available integration services. Confirm that Apple ID is listed as a connected account. If it is not connected, tap on Connect. Follow any additional prompts to finalize the connection. Once connected, your tasks will begin to sync automatically. Check back in the settings to ensure the sync status is active. You can now start adding tasks in Todoist seamlessly. Make sure your devices are connected to the internet for syncing. Enjoy managing your tasks efficiently using Todoist with your Apple ID. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.